Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Ted's here today wishing everybody a happy Monday. And we have a unbagging today. So it's from the shopping channel. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel when I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. So you don't want to miss out on that. Make sure you ring the bell. And make sure that you're notified every time I upload videos. Leave your comments below, and I do appreciate everybody's request comments. So keep those coming, share, all that fun stuff. And the bag that I'm rocking today is my Madame Leota card case. Works out pretty good, it holds quite a bit. And on the other side, there's an ID holder. And I got this at the Character Warehouse. This is normally $15 US. And I got it for $6.99. So it's well worth the money. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the unbagging. Got my blade. Okay, alright. Okay, we're in. Alright, so I got 3 boxes. They're all from Himalayan gems. Yeah, they come in really nice boxes too, right? These are real pretty. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what's in this box. All right, these are Peridot stud earrings. And they had these for a super good price. They're not very big, that's probably the reason, but... And I did have a few people asking about my 18K shine bracelet. So that's what I'm wearing today. That's on the silver mesh with the 14 karat gold clasp. And it seems to work out pretty good. Pretty cool. From Pandora. Okay, yeah, these are fairly good size. Yeah, see? Not too bad.
Yeah.
They're not too small. Yeah, Peridot is a pretty color. The turquoise ones sold out really fast. So I thought, well, I don't think I have anything in like Peridot. So I thought, okay, well, let's go with that. Yep, so those are pretty, and I never ordered anything from Himalayan gems, so this is a kind of a good try me type of thing. Okay, there's the first one. Here's the second one. There we go, it's the same lettering. And then they give you information on Himalayan gems. Oh, pretty cool. Alright, this is my bracelet. Oh, this is fairly good size. I thought it was going to be smaller, so that's good. Yeah, see? Oh, that's pretty nice.
Yeah. Good size.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be smaller like. But yeah, it's Peridot and like a moonstone combo. It's kind of pretty. And it's a hinged bracelet, so you just push hopefully. Oh, whoops. Okay, you gotta take the safety chain off. Alright, the safety chain there. Let's see how you do it. Okay, let me get my glasses on so I can maybe see how to do it. Okay, so this little thing comes off here. It's probably super easy, but I'm just not getting it. Oh, wait a minute. There's probably some sort of mechanism that you have to pull or... Here, I'll give it to Ted. He can probably figure it out for me. I think it works with this button here somehow. With this button here.
Yeah.
It works somehow that way, but I'm not sure how that works. Alright, I'll give it to him and then we'll figure it out. But I think that moves somehow. Huh, I don't know. That may take a while. Alright, and then my last order here. This is also from Himalayan Gems. And this is Cornelian, so you don't see that hardly ever. And it's kind of an orangey color, which is really pretty. And I'm going to be doing a couple of Disney hauls, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can watch my Character Warehouse hauls. They're coming up. And I'm going to be doing, I have some requests for wear and tear on my Fendi bags, so I'll be doing that shortly. Okay, this is pretty nice. This is silver and cornelian. This is a pendant. Alright, no chain. You have to provide your own chain, and then these are the earrings that match.
I don't know about that.
Okay, we'll have to figure it out. Alright, yeah, these are nice. Look at these.
Oh yeah.
Those are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, and these are the earrings that match the pendant. There we go. Yeah, these are nicer than I thought, actually, because you never know when you're ordering jewelry online, because usually the jewelry is really, really tiny. But these are like super nice, actually. Alright, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram at susansrstyle. And I'll be posting pictures of these jewelry items up close. So yeah, they are nicer than I thought, like I said before. Alright, so that's my Himalayan Gems haul. I hope everybody's having a great day. We're currently on travel restriction until May 25th. So we're not allowed to travel outside our region. And you can only go out for essentials like food, medical appointments, booze, all that fun stuff. So It's been kind of a challenge, but we're trying to work through it. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.